let's come to a little bit of more specifics, Porinju, if we can, for our viewers right now. What are the kind of sectors and stocks where you see that stability? You talked about valuations as a concern. Where are you still seeing that upside possible, especially after we've seen now enough of Q1 to get a sense of how these companies are doing?
Yeah. See, now, as I think in the morning, NDTV Profit was discussing about the earnings of different segments and companies.
Yeah.
In general, it's not very exciting. Again, the earnings of this quarter. There are some companies doing very well, like Apollo Hospitals, results have come. Some pockets of economy doing very well. I think this hospital business in general is going to boom in India, considering our demographic structure and what's going on globally in terms of human health. I think this is going to be a very important sector. But again, it's not available cheaply, or I would say it's, most of these companies are above reasonable levels of valuations. So that's a challenge. Now, artificial intelligence, the whole segment of information technology business in India, in services or in products. So everybody is having some kind of uncertainty whether AI is going to disrupt these IT companies or not, and which companies are going to be affected more, whether some companies are going to benefit. So I surely believe that the application segment of AI, artificial intelligence, the open AI, that is going to be a very important part of booming business in India. So which companies are looking at that segment, who are making inroads and doing things early? So one of the stocks we have been buying in the PMS recently. There are many companies. I'm just telling this name because their call and presentation, everything has come last week. Datamatics, an old company, I think a 3-4 decade old company. So it was not in fancy yet. It has been always at a reasonable valuation. So we found they are doing something fantastic in the AI segment, in applications, in building applications for different segments. So there will be companies like that. If you don't go and buy Datamatics, it's already it has gone up by 70-80% in the last 1 month. I think it may go through a correction.